Marcos. Here, oh, let's try another puzzle. Animals. Huh? Here. Let's try to solve the animals. It's okay. It's okay. Elephant. Good job. Oh, give daddy the elephant. Very good. Elephant. Next. Yeah. Oh, can you find the other piece of the puzzle? Oh, is that an elephant or a mouse? Uh-oh. It does not match. Try to look. That's a mouse. See? Oh. Okay, come on. Wow. Well done. Put it together. Very good. Mouse. Yeah. Oh, what's next? Go. What is next? Try to connect this one. Go. Go, 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 kuya. Try to finish it. Oh, what are you trying to fix? Trying to build? Oh, you're trying to do the dog. Oh. There's one more piece. Find the other piece. Oh, that's correct. Almost here. It's already correct. There you go. Press. Very good. Oh, there's one more piece. Look for the last piece. There you go. It's a dog. Arf, arf. Next. Next one. Try to fix another one, kuya. Okay, good job. You have created the face of the owl. Oh, is that correct? Can you move the other piece? No, that's not correct. Very good. Very good, kuya. Oh, next. Find the other two pieces. Where are the two pieces? Try to rotate the puzzle. There you go. Lastly, there's the owl. Good job, kuya. Next. Next one. What are you trying to build? Is that a chicken? Huh? Am I seeing a chicken? Try to rotate the puzzles. Look. It is not a match. Oh, there you go. Next. Next. Try to check all the sides of the puzzles so you can build it and connect it. There you go. Good job. Ta-da! It's a chicken. Very good.
Yeah.
Very good. So there's last one.
Yay.
Go, come on. Try to fix this one. What's that? Let's color pink. Uh-oh, not correct. Oh, you look for the pattern, anak. Try to solve for the pattern. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Look for the pattern. Oh, look, oh. Is this a face of the thing? Huh? Come on. Almost done. Look. Go. Uh-oh. Put it in the face, anak. That's not correct. Here. Try it here. No, this one. Uh-oh. Try it here. Ito, this one. Yung face. Build the face first. Here, yung face. Uh-oh, no. Yung face. Ito. Here, yung face niya. Uh-oh, wrong. That's the tail. Where will you put the tail? There. Uh-oh. Here, dito yung tail, anak. Here. Yan. Go, try to... Oh, see? I will help you. Oh, very good. Oh, next. Oh, look. Next. Oh, last 3 puzzles. Oh, put the face. There you go. Very good. Oh, last 2.
Yeah.
Last one. Okay, good job. See? We have finished the puzzles for animals. Very good. High five. You want another puzzle? Huh? Okay.